Once, in a quiet town, there lived a young woman named Lisa. Lisa had a small shop. She fixed broken things, clocks, radios, lamps. But Lisa had a problem. She could not fix her own heart. Lisa lost her parents when she was young. She missed them every day. She thought about the past all the time. In her shop, there was one old clock. It did not work. It was the clock from her old home. She never tried to fix it. She just looked at it every day and felt sad. Every morning, Lisa cleaned her shop and looked at the broken clock. It stopped at 3:15, she said. That was the time everything changed. Customers came to the shop. Lisa smiled, but her heart felt heavy. Her friend, Mr. Leo, came often. He said, "Lisa, why don't you fix that clock?" Lisa said, "It is not just a clock. It is my memory. If I fix it, maybe I forget them." Mr. Leo said kindly, "You don't need to forget, but don't stop your time." One day, a little girl named Lily came to the shop. "My toy's broken," Lily said. "Can you fix it?" Lisa smiled. "Of course." Lily waited and looked at the broken clock. "Why don't you fix that one too?" she asked. Lisa looked at the clock. "It's very old." "But old things can work again," said Lily. Lisa thought about it. That night, she sat alone and looked at the clock. She remembered her parents, the laughter, the love. Then she said, "Thank you for the past, but I want to live now." She opened the clock. She worked on it slowly, carefully. It was hard, but after some time, tick, 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 the clock started moving again. The next morning, Lisa smiled. She felt light. She felt free. The clock now showed the real time, the present time. Customers came. Lisa laughed with them. She told stories. She started fixing old things with more joy. Lily returned. "Wow, the clock works now," Lisa said. "Yes." It was waiting for the right time. Mr. Leo smiled. "Lisa, you fixed more than a clock. You fixed your heart." Lisa said, "The past gave me memories. The present gives me life. The future gives me hope." And from that day, the clock in Lisa's shop kept ticking. Not to remember the past, but to live every second of now and look forward. Don't live in the past. Don't fear the future. Live today. Time moves forward, and so should we.